Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial while talking. I know it's been a while, right? And actually this is actually how do you guys call it? Yeah, a collaboration with my friend, my beauty friend. Please check her out. This is her Instagram. She didn't really upload video on YouTube. I think she got YouTube channel, but she only upload her video on Instagram. And also I will upload this tutorial on my Instagram as well, a short tutorial to be exact. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram. Please follow me. Okay, let's just start. The first thing that I will use is this L.O.C Color Brow Mascara. I don't draw my brows because Gray? Amen. That's my cat. I don't really draw my brow because my brow are kind of full and I just brush this off. If I use a brow mascara, I will not draw my brow with brow gel or something. So I will just brush my brows like this. Just lightly. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time started to pass before you know it, you're frozen. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to clean the edges of my brows using this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I forgot which code this is. Down here it says Light 18. And I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. I'm going to put it right here, and then with a brush, where's my brush? This brush. With this brush, I'm going to clean the edges of my brows. Cleaning the edges of the brow is actually quite easy. It's just that sometimes I'm kind of lazy. So I'm going to use this neon palette from Huda Beauty. This one is the Orange Obsession palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade, this one, and I'm going to put it on my lid. So using this brush. Ooh, so pink. I'm going to pack it on my lid just like this. And then with this blending brush, I'm going to take. So please focus. Focus 주세요. Please lah, focus lah, brother. I'm going to take this shade, the one in the middle, and then just blend the edges with this brush. You just have to blend the edges just like this, lightly, so that there will be no like one line or something. You see that? Okay, this is blended. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I take this shade, the pink one. Please focus 주세요. This pink shade. I'm going to put it on my lid. So pink. So then I'm going to move to my face, and I'm going to use this Faced Hangover primer. Spread on my face. And I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation. Put it on my hand. Ooh. Oh, habis kah? Kayaknya dah habis awal je lah. Take the excess at the back of my hand and then blend it all together with the foundation. Oh my god, so but don't worry, because this thing, it will oxidize and it will change in color. So Don't worry about that. Oh my god. Maybe because I've become darker because of the haze, so the foundation didn't really match my skin. But actually this foundation will, how do you guys call it? Oxidize, so I don't really, people say that this foundation is good. I bought this based on the Sephora worker recommendation. I don't remember how much this foundation costs, but I don't really care because I already bought it. You can just check on the Sephora site and grab yours. This is one of the best foundation I ever tried. And the other one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. That one's really nice too. I finished using a bottle of it, and now I'm going to finish this one before I start with another foundation. This is the same concealer I used to clean the edges of my brows. Put it just right here on the nose, and then, and yeah. Anyway, with this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder, I'm going to set my face. My nose. And then, I'm back to the eye. For my eye, I'm going to use this blending brush. And then with this, the same palette, not gonna lie, I'm going to take the one that I used to blend the edges of this. I'm going to use that, this color. I'm going to use this just for my under eye and just lightly put it on underneath my eyes. This too. This is the Big Eye Mascara from Essence, and then this is the Hyper Sharp Eyeliner from Maybelline. I'm going to use these two on my eyes. So I'm going to start with eyeliner first. So just lightly extend like this. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to put on a false lashes because my false lashes is not helping me at all right now. Look at my lashes, guys. This is my lashes. I didn't put on false lashes. Quite long, right? I have a long lashes. Talking about long lashes, my brother, my younger brother, he has a longer lashes than mine. Like my younger brother, like both of them, my younger brothers, they have a longer lashes, but mine is already long enough and theirs is longer. I don't get why boys always have a good lashes. Like they don't even use mascara, they didn't even curl it. It is already so curly and visible. My lashes is already curly, but when you wear makeup you can't really see it unless you memerhatikan saya sangat-sangat. Hi. Hey there, my lashes. And then I'm going to contour my face using this Tartiest Pro Glow to Go. I cannot live without contouring because you look at my nose, it is so freaking flat, so I need to make it look visible. You can catfish people with this. So let's start catfishing. See that? You see that? That is one of the way for me to catfish. The thing is, since I live in Sarawak, if I go out with this kind of makeup, people will look at me as if I don't deserve to bring this kind of makeup outside. And then for a blush, I'm going to use this NYX blush. It's in Silky Rose. This one is actually a powder blush and so pigmented. I'm going to prove it to you guys. It's really pigmented. I mean, like, look at that. With a simple swatch like this, it is so terang. And you have to be careful. Like, I have to be really careful. I did just tap around your cheek like this. You see that? Oh my god, you see that? Smile! And then put a little bit on your nose so that it will look cute. If you want to look cute or feel cute, put just a little bit on your tip of your nose. Back to this palette, I'm going to take this one. You see the powder? Oh my god! Look at that powder. Oh, look at that highlight. A little bit on your brow bones. Oh Tuhan, with your nose. Ku cinta dia, ku sayang dia, rindu dia, inginkan dia, butuhkanlah rasa cinta di hatiku. For final touch, I'm going to use this. This is the Everlasting liquid lipstick in Double Dare. One of my favorite liquid lipstick. I think I'm going to repurchase this. Oh, my nose smells so itchy. With this lipstick, a You Are Mine lipstick from For You 2 Cosmetics. Anyway, this is the final look. Look at that. I look so different from the before me and after me. They look so different. But I am kind of satisfied with this makeup. And I actually bought this palette during Sephora sale, the 20% off, and I have been loving this palette ever since I purchased it. I use this a lot. Oh my god, look at that, how pretty is that? Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to check on my other video or maybe subscribe to my channel so that you will get to see an update from me. And oh my god, my nose feels so itchy. And see you again on my next one. Bye.